Hi, Moonbeams! I thought of something I want to make today. A rabbit! Rabbits are so cute. I'm going to use clay. Do you have clay? We need blue clay, black clay, white clay, and pink clay. Oh no! I don't have pink. What can I do? How do you make pink? How about red and blue? What about red and black? Red and white? Okay, let's put them together. Awesome! Now I have pink. Let's get started. Start with white clay. Make 2 balls. Here's the head, here's the body. So cute! With more white clay, roll 2 small balls. Let's make it the arms. Now for the ears. More white clay. Roll a ball. And then roll flat like a snake. Then use your thumb. Press just a little bit on one side. Now we have 2 ear shapes. My bunny has floppy ears, so I will put it down. How cute! Take a little bit of the black clay and roll 2 very small balls for the eyes. Now, time for the nose. Take just a little bit of pink clay, roll it, and put it on. Now, time for the bow. I want a blue bow. Now, roll 2 small balls. Put them together and press gently with your thumb. Now we have a bow. And I made it a friend. Woo! Let's give one to Astra.
Wow!
Astra, I made you something.
Really? What is it?
Ta-da!
It's so cute!
Do you want the blue one or the pink one?
I'd like the blue one, please.
Here you go.
Thank you!
Let's play play with them.
Okay.
See you next time, Moonbeams.
Bye.
Clay. Rabbit. Blue. Pink. White. Black. Red. Ball. Roll. Ears. Little. Eyes. Body. Head. Nose.